Creamy strawberry fruit leather is a great way to preserve up my strawberries, and I just love the little bit of creaminess that's behind it because of the yogurt that I add. It's also a really quick, convenient way to preserve my strawberries, and it makes for a lovely, healthy snack for everybody when we're on the go. My first step is to take my washed strawberries and remove all of the hulls. I really like using this tool because I feel like it wastes the least amount of the strawberries for it. It's nice because I simply push it in, turn, and I'm able to pull out the core. Then if there's any little bits of leaf left, I just take those off and I'll put it right in my blender. I do need 6 cups worth of pureed strawberries for this. This is a nice recipe because you can even do it when the strawberries are at the point that you'd want to use them for jam, where they're just starting to get a little bit soft, maybe a little overripe. It's no big deal for this recipe. You can still use it. I've probably got about 10 cups worth in here right now. That's about all that my blender can hold, but I want to blend it down and see where it hits then. And it's almost at the 6-cup mark now, so I'll add just a couple of more strawberries to get it up to where I need it. And now it's perfectly at 6 cups worth. Now this is optional, but I like to add 1 tablespoon of sugar to it. This just sweetens it up a tiny bit. Sometimes the strawberries can be just a touch on the tart side. And then I'll add 1 cup of my favorite vanilla yogurt. You could do plain yogurt as well. Now I'll blend all of that together. I really recommend washing off your blender as quickly as you can after you use it. It makes it so much easier. My favorite leather trays are actually silicone. I feel like they make it the easiest to get the fruit leather off, and I just like to add a tiny bit of the coconut oil to make sure that nothing's going to stick. I like doing the coconut oil because I feel like it adds to the flavor a little bit. If you did something like olive oil, I don't feel like that flavor would work very well. I'll then put an equal amount of the puree onto the trays. Now I'll place these on my dehydrator at 130 degrees for anywhere from 10 to 12 hours. My fruit leather is all done. It is dry but still pliable. There are a few little cracks that developed on it, and that is not a big deal. It won't influence the taste at all. And then what I do is I pull it off of my silicone while it's still warm, and I want to work kind of quickly because it really does work better this way if it's warm. And then I cut it into 4ths. It's a little bit harder when there's a lot of cracking there, but that's okay. I then place it on a square of plastic wrap, fold the corner over one corner, and roll my way all the way up. And then I tuck in the ends. And that's all ready to go, a nice little healthy snack.